Alright, what is up, everyone? What's going on? We are a little bit late today, but that's okay. Got everything kind of going. Alright, day 8. Let's just hit go. We're going to spend a second looking at the output, and then we'll jump into the problem here. Build. Oh my gosh. I think I've done something bad here. I will wait though, like pretty patiently. Okay, I was actually kind of expecting this. So, these are inputs. I'm just gonna like preemptively parse this. Private val grid. I don't even know what it is, but we're going to. Actually, I'm going to do it like this. So this is just a standard. I'm going to map it, and then we're going to map each of these dot to, I think it's a digit to int, yeah. And so then this should end up with a type that we kind of like, and then we'll actually go look at the thing. Private val grid. Can I just do this? I think it wants me to say that it's list int. Okay, let's actually go look at the problem. Okay, expedition comes across a particular patch tall trees, all planted carefully in a grid. Elves explain the previous expedition planted these trees. Now they're curious if it would be a good location for a tree house. First, determine whether there is enough tree cover here to keep a tree hidden house. To do this, you need to count the number of trees that are in the grid visible from outside the grid when looking directly along a row or column. Elves have already launched a quadcopter. Each tree is represented as a single digit. The tree is visible if all of the other trees between it and the edge are shorter than it. Only consider trees in the same row or column. Okay, so let's try that again. It is visible from the outside. A tree is visible if all other trees between it and an edge of the grid are shorter. Okay, yeah. Oh, between it and a that is only like up, down, left, and right. Okay. And edge. How many trees are visible from outside the grid? Cool. Okay. So let's see. Let's just do like the dumb approach, right? So grid dot count. Actually, we'll just do stuff for I in lines dot. I actually want grid dot indices. Okay, and then val row. Yeah, jump into problems. Grid. So I'll get the first row, and then for j in, this is just standard, like everybody does it. Everybody does it this way. In the C's. Okay. So now we have an ij, and we're just gonna say just do var count equals 0. There's got to be like a more Kotlin way to do this, but this should be fine. If is visible I don't need to pass in the grid. Count plus. Okay, and so it's visible if it can be, if it's the highest in any direction, right? So what that means is we can say So first, let's get a left and right. So val left equals grid. Oh crap. Okay. Oop. So I is which row, and the grid and okay. So let's just get the same. So row val left. So actually, if I equals 0 or I equals grid dot length, what is it? Grid dot row dot size -1. All right, this is return true. I don't know that we need to be doing this, but it's probably good. Dot size -1. This is just taking care of the corner cases, right? And then we can do val left equals, so left is row dot sub list from 0 to I, and then we're going to take the max of this. We say if oh, we probably need to get this number, val height equals grid I j. Okay, and so then if height is greater than left, return true. And then we can do the same thing for right. So this is like the max one to the right. Because if it's higher than any one to the right, then so instead of doing this, we'll do I +1. We already know we're not on the edge. And then we can go grid dot size. Okay, and then we just need to check up and bottom as well, right? So what we're going to do is up is Fred. Oh man, I forgot to actually have my music playing. That's why I'm going so slow here. So grid dot, so we're going to, let's see, for each row we want to get the same element, and then we're going to do the same thing, sublist 0 to j, and then let's just do down right now 2. So this is going to be grid dot size, and this is going to be j +1, and then this is going to say, this is super fun when you're just like, yeah, I'm making if statements, making a bunch of if statements. Okay. This is going to complain because I don't have the test input, which I guess is just this. Return expression. Oh. Return count. Let's do it. Is it running? Oh god. Oh, oop, max, dude. That's what happens when you use autocomplete. Okay, this should be done, right? So the first one, I got 20. Is that correct? 21. That's interesting. Okay, 5. Is there some one that I'm not counting correctly? So let's see. Okay, top left 5. So I would expect all of these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then I'd expect 17, 18, 19, 20. It must be counting this one. It must be the center square that I'm... I don't know, this one's visible too. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna print out, I'll print out the ones that it's finding, right? Dang it, I can't believe it. That means there's got to be some very subtle bug here, which sucks. Okay. No, don't do this either. Okay, let's see. Okay, so 0 zeros and the 5 4 4s, that's good. Then let's see, 1 1 0, yeah, that's fine, right? 1 1 1 2. What am I missing? Yeah, 1 1 1 2 1 4. Yeah, of course. And then 2 2 1. 2 4. 2 0 2 1 2 4, right? 2 0 2 1 2 4. Why does it not see this one? Did I? Is this wrong? Let's see, 2, yeah, I would expect this one. So 2, 2, 2, 3 should be in here, and it's not. Okay, so why not? Let's just straight up like, oh gosh, I equals 2 and j equals 3. Oh my gosh, this is not great when you're like putting in a breakpoint, but I do expect it to be here. Height 3, row left, right is 3. Oh, this is super wrong, dude. This is super wrong. This is supposed to be J. Oh my god, I switched these. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Oop. Run 21. Nice. This is an issue with just having, like, when you're doing a for loop, you transpose the x and y. So that's what I did. Nice. Okay, that was cool. I found the issue quickly. Okay, part 2. Content with the amount of tree coverage available, elves just need to know the best spot to build a tree house. They would like to be able to see a lot of trees. To measure the viewing distance from a given tree, look up, left, and down and right from that tree. Stop if you reach an edge or at the first tree that is the same height or taller as the tree under consideration. If a tree is right on the edge, at least one of the viewing distances will be 0. Elves don't care about that. So tree's scenic score is found by multiplying its 4 viewing distances in each of the 4 directions. Okay, so looking up. Okay, so let's see. In the example here, looking up, you can see over 1. Looking left, its view is... You can see, looking left, it can see only 1 tree. Okay, let's go back and read this, because I probably would have got this wrong. So to measure the viewing distance of a given tree, look up, left, and whatever. Stop if you reach an edge or at the first tree that is the same height or taller. If the tree is right on the edge, at least one of its viewing distances will be 0. Okay, so it can see one tree. Stop. They like to be able to see a lot of trees. Okay, so edges can't see a tree. Got it. Okay. So, okay, so I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna call it like tree score. Okay, so if any of these is true, then return 0, because one of the directions is long. It's fine, actually. Okay, so this way, so for each of these now, what do we want to do? We want to be able to go left or right. So we have this sub-list. So what I'm going to do, so these ones to the left, so I'm going to reverse. I'm going to reverse it, and then I'm going to say take while grid take while the number is less than less than or equal to? No, but we want to count the first. I guess we can just do less than, right? So while it's less than the height that we're at, dot size. I think we just add 1 to each way. So this is left. And then we can do the same thing here, but we don't need to reverse it because the list is to this to that side. I don't know if you can see my hand gestures. Okay, this is going up, so we do need to reverse this, and this one is going down, so we don't need to reverse that. And then we can just left times right times up times down. Boop. Okay, and then what we want to do here is just do grid dot max of, and then it dot, and we're going to do max of, and then we're going to do max of the tree score. This is not great. I need max of with an index. Max of indexed. Sweet. And then inst dot max of. Wait, yeah, I need the index because I need to know the indexes to put into my call here. Max of. Oop, what the heck? Oh, that's not great. Okay, I don't know why this is an issue, so I'm just gonna loop through it. In grid dot indices for j in grid I dot indices var max equals 0, var this one equals tree score ij if this one is greater than max equals this one. Oop. I'll figure out how to Kotlinize these later. Okay. So part 2. What score are we expecting? Tree scores seen is 8. I did not get 8, so let's see what's up. So I'm going to front line I, J, oh, I should put a dash here, left, right, up, down, dang it, okay. So let's see, the trees, so 5 is the ideal spot, which is 3, 2. So 3, 2, I have 3, 1. So wait, looking left. Why are all these numbers wrong? I have left, right, up, down. So left, I have 3, 2. Okay. Let's figure this out. Did I do the same thing again? No, because I copied it, right? So it has to be correct this time. Did I do the wrong thing by reversing these? I don't think so. Right, so let's see, 3, 2. Okay, so this is 5. I am looking at the correct thing. And it says it should be 2 trees up, which is this one. I have 2 there. And it says 2 is 1 down. And I have 2 down. Why? So I added 1, but I probably shouldn't be adding 1. So what is this case where I add 1? It's like if the size... Okay, what if I do like... What if I do this? But this isn't going to handle it correctly, like if you see multiple with the same height. Wait. Take last while. Wait. Oh god, dude. I think I just typed this wrong. What the heck? How did it get take last while? This should just be take while, dude. Take while. Oh gosh. Okay, but I still don't think this is right, because now I get a bunch of 2s when I run into the edge, right? So there's still a case here that I'm not handling correctly, right? 2, 2, 1. Oh wait, they're all 1 too big. Just take this off. I don't think this is right. It gives me the right answer here, but I don't think this is correct. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. So, I thought this was gonna be like sweet, but it doesn't work. So what if I just do count now? So the issue is that I want to count it like I don't want to count the edge, but I want to count the first one that I can't see over, and so it's still like I kind of have to know more. Let me think. Yeah, I kind of do think though that this is, there's probably a good way to do this, but I'm not going to do it that way. Left. So, left count equals 0. So I think I can just do L, if L is less than height, then left count plus plus, else if L is equal to height. In this case, we just want to, we do want to do this, and then we want to break. Oh, oop. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing here. With this, we do need to reverse it though. And then we're gonna take this one, and we'll do the same thing, but with right count. So R, and then this is gonna be right count. Oh man. Oh yeah. This is some pretty nice tunes here. Up count, and this is going to be down, and then let's see. Sorry, somehow I covered up chat, but oh well. Up, this is R, up count, still telling me, hey dude, this isn't being used. R height. I'm just gonna make this, oop. That's, okay. Can't edit it twice and then screw it up, so, oop. And then this is gonna be down. Okay, now we just have left count times right count times up count times down count. This should be correct. Not correct. Okay, so let's see. At least we printed out all the coordinates, so this is printing. Oh, I'm so close. Left, right, up, down. Okay. This is left, correct, right, up, down. Okay, those are all correct. And then something here is not correct. So which one is it? Which U is it? Um, 2 1 2 1 down up right. Okay, so this is up, down is 1, left, right, is that the one that's... I'm just like too vibing, dude. Okay, right is this, so it's 5. Oh, okay. If, okay, because this isn't just equal, it's if it's greater than 2, because we can see that one. Oh, and I have to do that for all these. Dang it, dude. Okay, this is where like writing really just like code that's just all over the place is not great. I should have like genericized this, but okay, now this is 8. All right, not the fastest today, but it's not yesterday, so we'll take it. Oh god, it's not it. Oh no. Okay. 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 I felt pretty good about that. Ugh. I'm gonna look back on that and be like, grumble. Yeah, I know. Oh no. Okay, 2 1 2 1. Let's put it in the same order that they have it in, just to like double check some stuff. But this feels correct. So okay, so if it's less than, we just keep going. If it is, oh, this is still the same thing. I did again, dude. I did again. This is just greater than or equal. Don't worry. Don't worry. Give me that sweet different number. Okay, that's still 8. Alright, we only... this has got to be it, right? Oh yeah, that's a totally different number. Feeling good. That is what I'm talking about. Alright, so there is a number of problems. Mistakes were made. But I don't know. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. So let's see. Let's see how people did today. Oh my gosh. 10 minutes. So I expect my scores better than yesterday, but let's see. Okay. So that's pretty respectable. Yeah. So one thing that just like totally kind of screwed me is like this code is very stupid. Like don't do this. Just I checked all the special cases, like this should just be, you know, like height int and then list int tree line, something like this, right? And then instead of doing this, just frickin' come on, return. I mean, it's not left count anymore, but you know, we just count, and then this can be t, and then this is complaining that I'm returning something. Okay, and now you can do, you know, like all of this can get super simplified. I just like jumped around. Where am I? So now I could just do like get score height and pass in this, right? So this is how you should do repeated code. It's a little bit hard in the moment to, you're like trying to rationalize, should I go back and fix it, or should I just kind of figure it out? So I ended up copying a lot of code, but this is, I mean, already this didn't take too long. So obviously should have done that. But it did help me kind of debug it to have all of the, like, to be able to print out all of the different stuff. Let me just jump back and make sure what I put in is the same. Oh, we should also spend a second to look at the cute little output. I don't know what it's called. Like there's a ASCII art. Oh, it's not a long. That's a confusing error message. It doesn't like the types. So, okay, yeah, so we refactored it, and it's the same. This is also pretty ugly, but I didn't... For some reason, I couldn't figure out how to get this with max. Was it max? Index max? Was it index? I don't know. I guess I could do just map indexed like this, and then I could have done like instat map indexed, and this could be j value, right? And then here it would just be like get a tree score, index and j. This is honestly what I do after a lot of these, is just like kind of go through and flat map, flatten. Is that what I want? Yeah. So like this should actually return the same thing as well. So, I don't know, did all right. Yep, same output. So that's just a way to like kind of, I don't know, get stuff shorter, sometimes more readable. Maybe not this time, but I don't know. Cool. I'll play around with this stuff for a bit longer, but it's like do something else. Let's go back and check out just the map that's emerging, and then we're gonna get out of here. So, all right, this is pretty cool. The first one started out with like, you're on a boat, and now we are getting pretty well into it. Got the jungle on the sides, and it looks like kind of a bridge or a fortress or something coming up. So anyway, not a bad day. Like I said, right around 2000 for the first one. A little hang up on the second one, but still pretty respectable. So that'll be it for this time. This is day 8. I'm thinking I might do a like speed run or something of the first 7 days, just to go back and kind of cover stuff that I screwed up, get some retribution on some of these. So I might do that in the next couple days. But yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow for day 9. See ya.